Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you 10 WhatsApp tips and tricks that you must know. So let's get right into it. First up, ever wanted to quickly share an image from Google directly into your WhatsApp chat? It's simple. Just search the image on Google, tap on the Images tab, long press on the image you want to share. Tap Copy Image and then paste it right into the WhatsApp conversation. No need to download or take screenshots anymore. And while we are talking about images, want to share photos and videos in HD? Open a chat, tap the attachment icon, select your media, and look for the HD button on the photo sharing screen. Tap it and select HD quality to ensure your media is sent in the highest quality. And if you are looking to express yourself beyond text and images, you can use video messages. Open a chat, long press the camera icon to start recording after a 3-second countdown. Slide up to lock the recording. Once done, tap Send. Getting a bit more creative with your messages can be fun too, with AI stickers. Open a chat, tap on the emoji button, then tap on stickers and hit Create. Describe your sticker, and WhatsApp will generate up to 4 stickers for you. Tap to send. We have all been there, typing too fast and making a typo. But don't worry. WhatsApp now lets you edit sent messages. Just long press the message. Tap on 3 vertical dots at the top for more options. Hit Edit. Make your changes and send it back out. But keep in mind you have a 15-minute window to make edits after the message is sent. Keeping your chats secure is important, and WhatsApp has tools for that too. To keep your WhatsApp secure, enable the screen lock feature. Tap on 3 vertical dots, select Settings, then select Privacy and scroll down to find Fingerprint Lock. Toggle on Unlock with Fingerprint. You will need to confirm your identity with a fingerprint. You can also decide how soon the app asks for authentication again. You can choose immediately, after 1 minute, or after 30 minutes. If you want, you can keep Show Content in Notification toggled on to see message previews in notifications. For those conversations that need an extra layer of privacy, you can now lock individual chats directly in WhatsApp. Long press the chat, tap on the 3 vertical dots for more options, select Lock Chat, and confirm with your fingerprint. These chats will be kept separate from other chats in a locked chats folder. To access it, swipe down on the chat list. You will see the locked chats folder appear at the top. Avoiding interruptions from unknown numbers is something you might consider. If you don't want WhatsApp calls from unknown numbers, tap on the 3 vertical dots. Tap on Settings, select Privacy, scroll down until you find Calls, and then you can toggle on Silence Unknown Callers. Now only your contacts can call you through WhatsApp. Organizing your messages can make life a bit easier. If you have got a bunch of unread WhatsApp messages scattered throughout your app, there's a quick way to bring them all together. Tap on the search icon and tap on the unread option. No more scrolling and searching. Every unread message is now just a tap away. Finally, sharing your location without the hassle is something WhatsApp has thought of. Need to share your location but don't want to save the number? Open Message Yourself chat. Type in the number you want to share the location with and tap on it. Choose Chat with this number and share your location without saving the number. And there you have it. 10 WhatsApp tips and tricks to make your messaging experience better. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.